1.
You can see that x minus 1 is same, right, in this and this, right?
Yeah.
So if I
Yes.
yeah, so if I do x minus 1 equal to 0, so this will be 0, this will be 0. 0 multiplied by anything, it's become 0.
So okay. X minus. But what about x plus 1?
This is,
Is it just
x minus 1 is common, right? I want to remove b and c.
okay?
So in b and c, this I see this one is common. So I take this one. I consider this one. I put this one is 0. So this will be also 0. This will be also 0. Both will finish. My a is concerned, right? In a, x minus 1 is not present. So a will remains. So x is 1. 1 plus
Yeah.
1
Okay.
and 1 plus 4. So 2 equal to a, and this will be 5 to the 10. So a equal to 1 by 5. The first thing is formed, right?
Yeah.
Now second thing. For the second thing, what should I do? I should think that how I
Wait,
can.
what about B and C? Do you not multiply 1 with B and C?
Yeah, because if I put this one is 0, this total will become 0. This will become also 0. So that's my technique
Oh,
I want.
all of it will become 0.
Yeah, x minus 1 is 0. If x minus 1 is 0, so b into 0
And then
into this.
0 times x plus 4 is 0.
Yeah, of
Everything
course.
is 0.
Yeah, everything is 0. That's why.
Oh,
Yeah, we
okay.
finished
I got.
two variable and get one variable, right?
Okay. Yeah. Yeah.
Now,
Understood.
now the second thing I will finish x plus 1 and x
Fine.
plus 4. I will make this one 0. If I want to make this one 0, what I should put?
You could put minus 4,
Just
but
see,
then
okay, 4 is coming in this and this. In first and
yeah,
second, 4 is
4.
coming. So take 4 is 0. X plus 4 equal to 0, right? If you take x
Yes.
plus 4 is equal to 0, means x equal to minus 4. Now, what will be this one? So on the left side, 2 into minus 4 equal to,
Yeah.
now which term will be 0? First term and second term will be 0. Only c is remaining. C is remaining, minus 4 plus 1 and minus 4 minus 1. So minus 8
Yes.
equal to, this one will be minus 3 and this one will be minus 5. So minus 5 into minus 3 is 15 plus 15.
Yeah. Okay, then minus 8 over 15.
Yes, minus 8 over 15. The two things done, right?
Yes, done. And now we need B.
Now we need b. The problem is b. Now for b, what I will do, x plus 1 I will put equal to 0, right? Because you can see that
So
x plus 1 is coming in first and last. X plus 1
yeah,
coming over here and
yes.
here, right? So okay, if x plus 1 equal to 0, so x equal to minus 1. So minus 2 equal to, now b will come. So b minus 1, and this is minus 1 plus 4. Are you agree with me?
Yes. Yeah.
And the other thing is finished. A and C is finished. So minus 2 equal to, this will be minus 2 and this will be plus
My,
3. So this will be minus
yeah.
6. So the finally B will be 1 over 3. Got it?
Yeah.
So B
Got
will
it.
be 1 over 3. So my three answer, B is 1 over 3. C is my minus 8 over 15. And A was 1 over 5. Now
Okay.
I will
And then you
remove.
just plug it in.
Yeah, now I will remove this all and plug in into the original one. Now I just memorize the original one. Maybe I can write. So because I remember that my question was this: 2 over x minus 1, x plus 1, and x plus 4. Yeah, this was my question, right?
Yeah.
So A means 1 over 5 times in the A. It was what? A over, yeah. x minus 1, right?
Yeah, 1, yeah.
And
1 over
then
5x.
and then this b plus 1 over 3 times x plus 1.
Yeah.
And then c minus 8 over 15 times x plus 4. Done. This is your partial fraction. So we discussed the complicated case second, right?
Yeah.
So this is the partial fraction of the second condition. Now one more condition I will tell you. You got this?
Let me just write it down the last time. Yeah, got it.
Okay. Nothing. One more thing is, if we see the question is like that, x plus 3 over 2x square plus 4. Yeah, this is a question in which you cannot make factor. Or
Yeah,
suppose
you can't.
you can't make factor. Even this is
The
suppose 1. You cannot make factor, right? Now what you will do?
wait, it's to the power of 2, right?
Yeah,
So
but you cannot make factors. In this case, the problem is that.
why?
Yeah,
Wait, what?
how you can make factor? You cannot make factor. These are not 3 terms. These are only 2 terms. Nothing is common. You what? Nothing is common.
No, I don't understand by nothing. What do you mean by nothing is common? Like,
Nothing is
is
common
it?
in denominator. Nothing you can, no factor you can find from the denominator. Before that, I make the 2 brackets, right? Because that was the
Yeah.
quadratic equation.
Oh,
Yeah. This is not even
yeah.
quadratic equation. In this case, what you will do? In this case,
Okay, I got.
but there should be 2 constant. Problem is that I cannot write like this. If I write like this, what will be the b? Problem, right?
Yeah.
I
The
cannot.
problem.
I
Yeah,
can.
you.
That's the problem. So in this case, I cannot write like this. But I need 2 constants. So what I will write?
So
Ax plus b.
ax plus b.
Yeah, ax plus b is important. I will write like this.
Okay.
So now this and this cancel. So x plus 3 equal to ax plus b, right? So
Yeah.
now what I should do to remove a?
Uh, 0. Wait, no.
Yeah,
You make it. Yeah, you
yes,
make
you
it
are right.
0.
You are right. X equal to 0. If you put x equal to 0, so 0 plus 3 equal to 0 plus b. So b equal to 3. Got?
Got it. Yeah.
Now next thing.
Wait. So yeah. Okay.
Now next thing is I have to do something to get a. But the problem is with nothing is there, right? With the b, no variable.
Yeah.
So in this case, what I have to do, I have to compare the coefficient. What I will do, comparing coefficient. You know the coefficient mean? If I say 2x, what is the coefficient of x? 2,
X. X. Right. Oh no.
yeah,
2. 2. 2. Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
So here I will compare the coefficient of x. What is the coefficient of x on left side?
So 1.
1. And in the right side?
It's a.
Yes, done. In first time you done because the equation was very simple. Sometimes it's very long and we have to compare first x square coefficient, then x coefficient, and then constant like this.
Okay.
So a is
1.
1 and b is 3. So your partial fraction will be like this now. Your
So
answer.
if it was like 3x on the other side,
Yeah,
the left.
yeah.
Then it
So
would have been
3,
okay.
right? So this x square plus 1 equal to a was what? A was 1
A was 1, yeah.
and b was
B was the 3.
3. 3 over 2x square plus 1. So so this is the thing, right? Like this. The same
Yep.
thing comes. So you can do like now like this. But they will give you some more complication. So you can do like this. This over plus 3 over 2x square plus 1. Like this, right? You will do like
Yeah.
this. That thing. Now I will write one more example that will be a little more something more given in the denominator that you will see. So this is last condition you will learn. So most of the things you will cover.
Okay.
So 2x plus 5 divided by x square plus 2x plus 8 and 1 is this over here x plus 1. This is the thing. The two things are given, right?
So two things are given.
Two things are given and you cannot make a factor of this one. Suppose you cannot make a factor of this one. That the problem is that you cannot make a factor of this one.
Wait, 4 and 2. Okay. Oh, yeah, yeah. Okay.
That is 4 into 2. In even 4 into 2 you need minus sign, but that was not minus sign. But
Oh,
now I clear mode.
okay.
Impossible case. I created impossible case now. Now you cannot make
Okay.
factor, right? Now what you will do? A over, first take this one. A over x plus 1, right? The first thing. Next thing what you will do over here. I told you one technique because I need three constants.
So AX plus B.
Yeah, A is done. Bx plus c. Next one.
AX plus
Yeah,
C.
next one you will do what? Bx plus c. Because A is already,
BX.
yeah, A is already occupied
Oh,
with this one, right? So Bx plus c over x square plus 2x plus 5. Got it?
yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Now with A, you will get x square plus 2x plus 5. And with B, Bx plus c, you will get what? X plus 1, right? And over here
Yeah.
is 2x plus 5. All the denominators cancel already. Now, how to find A? Do you have any idea?
Wait, why plus 1 in the end?
Huh?
Like you see what you put AX squared plus 2x plus 5 and then X plus BX plus C, then X plus 1.
Yeah, this is right. Bx, with Bx plus 3, see, this will multiply. And with this will multiply.
Oh, wait. Okay, wait. Sorry. Yeah, yeah.
And
Wait.
the
I was thinking of
denominator,
something.
yeah, denominator gone, right?
Yeah.
Now, what I
Uh,
should put first thing to remove this one to get A.
yeah. So we have to do something to remove A.
Yeah, to get A, remove this one. This is what? X plus 1. If you put x plus 1 is 0, right? So this whole thing will be 0.
Yeah.
So
So
this
first line.
x plus 1 equal to whatever you feel easy, first do that one. X plus 1 equal to 0. So that this whole thing will be finished.
Okay.
Okay, so what is x? X equal to minus 1. So 2 times minus 1 plus 5 equal to A times minus 1 square is 1 minus 2 plus 5. Got it? And the next thing is 0.
Got it.
Next thing is 0. So this will be 3 equal to 1 minus 2 plus 5 is what?
1 minus is 7. Yeah, minus 6.
1 minus 2 is minus 1.
Oh, yeah. Oh, wait. Okay, you do that. Okay, yeah. So 4.
4. So A equal to 3 over 4,
uh,
right?
equals, yeah, 3 over.
Okay, I
Yeah.
write here A equal to, we formed 3 over 4. We done this. Now I remove this.
Now we need to get rid of A. How do we do that?
Now what do we need? We need to find
We need,
B and C, right?
oh yeah, B and C. Yeah.
Okay, so for B and C, I don't have any idea for B and C, because if I put this whole thing equal to 0, it's not appearing over here, right?
Yeah.
So what I will do, okay, if I put x equal to 0 now again, first, yeah, if I put x is equal to 0, this term will be 0, this term will be 0, right? And this term will be also 0, right?
Oh, so only
Yeah,
5. Yeah.
yeah. So we put x is equal to 0 now. It's easy. So it will only 5 on the left side. And over here, a 0 plus 0 plus 5 plus over here 0 plus c, over here 0 plus 1. Got it?
Yeah.
Okay, so 5 equal
So
to, this will be 5a,
5 plus.
and this is c. 5a plus c, right?
No, but what about the 1? It's like 0 plus 1.
0 plus 1 is 1. C into 1 is c.
Oh, okay. Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, now you can replace the value of a. 5 equal to 5 times 3 over 4. Yeah, because I already knew that I have the value of a. Now I can find c. Now I can find c. 5 minus 5 3 is 15 over 4. 15 over 4 equal to c. So 5 4 is 20 minus 5. 5 over 4 equal to c. This is the answer. So c I got. Now only one thing is remaining. What is remaining? I got c also, right?
Yeah.
Now only b is remaining. Now see for b, what I will do for b.
Oh wait, 1 second. 1 sec. Yeah, I'm almost done writing it.
So
Okay.
basically, you can take the video. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, now only b is remaining. C is done, a is done. Now b is remaining. So for b is remaining, if I open this one, if I open this and I collect the coefficient of x square, if I collect the coefficient of x square, what is the coefficient of x square on the left side?
2.
No, left side there is no
Wait.
x square.
Oh, on the left side.
Yeah.
Wait. Coefficient x squared. Then it'll be 4, won't it?
No, nothing. On the left side is nothing, right?
Wait,
On,
how? Oh wait, there's no x squared. Okay, okay, yeah,
yeah,
there's nothing. Yeah.
nothing. Okay, I just first expand this one. Ax square plus 2ax plus 5a, right? Plus, now next thing I will open the last term. Last term also, this one, this one. So from this and this, I will get x square term. Bx square plus bx plus cx plus c. This is the whole term, right? Now tell me,
Yeah.
what is the coefficient of x square on the left side? 0, right? There is no x square on the left side. So I will
There
put
is
0.
no.
I will put 0. And now from the right side, 1 is this and 1 is this, right?
Yeah.
Which I made the black. So x square coefficient is a. And over here, x square coefficient is b. So a plus b you will get. Got it?
Wait, I need. Wait.
Coefficient
Wait.
of x square. Coefficient of x square. Coefficient of x square is a. Coefficient of x square is b. After expansion,
Then, why'd you do for B? Like A is already. I saw. Wait, A is
I
A.
calculated this a and c. Now I am working for b. Right? Now I can replace the value of a from here. I already know the value of a, right? So what I will do? 3 over 4 plus b.
How did you get rid of C
Yeah,
in
because
this?
C is not, x square is not involved in C. I am comparing the coefficient of x square only.
Yeah, but then B isn't x squared though.
Yeah, so I took B. I took B. I took A. But C is not belong to x square.
No, B isn't x squared. Like it's not
See,
supposed to be x squared.
see, if I
Like
multiply these
how
two
did?
bracket, if I multiply these two bracket, bx into bx into x is,
Oh,
yeah,
okay,
first
okay,
first
okay.
I open these two brackets. That's why,
Yeah, yeah.
right?
Okay.
Yeah, yeah. You
So
can
A
you can
plus.
find out all, even all ABC with the comparing. First compare x squared, then compare x, then compare constant. You can calculate all from this equation,
Okay.
right?
3/4. So then
So
you do 3/4 plus B, which is 4.
so you get b value, you get b is a plus b. So you will move this one on the left side and you get minus. So b value is this, a
And
is this, C is this.
and the coefficient of x squared, is that a rule? Like, does it always have to be x squared, or in this case, it was like because
We
of this
start
question, it
we
was x squared.
we normally start from the biggest one. First x square, then x, and then constant, right? So
So
maximum,
whatever's the biggest
yeah,
power, then you
you
write
can
the
start from
coefficient.
there. Yeah, the coefficient of the biggest power.
Oh, okay, okay, okay.
What? So now ABC you calculate it. Now almost your question is done, right?
Yeah,
So now only you need to substitute here.
to the beginning.
Yeah, in the beginning. So after substitution, it will be what? Now see,
So a, a is
A is
3
A
over
is
4x
3 over
plus
4.
1.
Yeah. So 3 over 4 of x plus 1. And B was minus 3 over 4 x, right?
Yeah,
Minus 3 over 4 x plus C was what? This 5 over 4. 5 over 4. And divided by x square plus 2x plus 5. Right?
yeah,
And then this will come over here. 4x plus 1. Finally, you can write like this. Plus minus 3x plus 5 divided by 4 will come over here, and x square plus 2x plus 5. Like this you can do. Got it?
yeah, got it.
Very good. So this is another case of partial fraction. So any one of these cases will come right now. Although this is very vast, some other things also, but I hope this is you can deal now.
Yeah, yeah. I mean, I remember even in class, we only did these ones.
Oh yes, yes.
Like,
Of course, these are most important are these. So now next thing is what you said, arithmetic sequence, right?
yeah, arithmetic sequence.
So in the both the sequences, there are two things in the arithmetic and geometric sequence. We find basically the missing term, nth term, and sum. So first is
Okay.
if I say 5 and then 15 and then 25 and then 35 and it's going on this, right? This is a sequence. First of all, they will say that find out the 10th term of this sequence, 10th term of this sequence. So you can count that the difference. How much the difference? 10, right? 10, 10 you will increase and you get it. But if they said 90th term, you will confuse. Now in the paper, you cannot go till 90th term, 10, 10 difference, right? So you will
Yeah,
find the nth term, that is called Tn. Nth term you will find. So for nth term, there is a formula of arithmetic sequence, or those in which common difference are same. What is common difference? Next term minus previous term, means 15 minus 5 equal to 10, or 25 minus 15 equal to 10, right? So next term minus previous term. If
And
this is called the difference, D. This is D.
okay,
So D equal to 10 and A equal to 5. This is A. This is A.
okay,
So A plus n minus 1 times D. This is the formula for nth term of the arithmetic sequence.
A is the first term, right?
A
First
is
term.
the first term. A is the first term. D is the difference. So the general formula will be what? 5 plus n minus 1 means 10 minus 1. No, n minus 1 remains same. N is the
Wait,
number
so
of,
n is the term you need to find, right? Like
yeah,
the
yeah, yeah, yeah. So this is n minus 1 into 10, right? So finally your
yeah.
formula will become 5 plus 10n minus 10. So 5, sorry, what you will do? 10 times n minus 5, tn, got it?
Yeah.
This is your
But
formula.
yeah.
This is your formula. If I put 1 by 1, if I put n equal to values of n, right? If I put n equal to 1, what is the answer? If I put n is equal to 1 in this, what is the answer? First term.
Five.
Huh? 5.
Yeah, yeah.
If I put 2,
It's the two, then it'll be 15, yeah.
15. If I put 3,
25.
25. So my sequence is confirmed. It's perfect. This is, you can see
Yeah,
this one.
yeah, it's working. Yeah.
Okay. So this is your general term. Now if I say 90th term, 90th
So you
term.
put 90,
Yeah, 90. So 90 tens are 900, 905, 900 and minus 5 is 885. Huh?
95, yeah.
Yeah, this is your answer.
Oh,
Got it? Interesting.
got it. And this is arithmetic
Yes, this is
sequence, right?
arithmetic. First thing I teach you, arithmetic, right?
Yeah.
Okay, now next thing I will teach you, if I want to find the sum till 90th term, from 1 to 90, what will be the sum of this one? They ask sum of first 1000 term, sum of first 100 term, right?
Them all. Yeah.
So now we will calculate the sum of first 90 term or sum of first 100 term.
Okay. Sir, I'll just go to toilet 2 seconds. I'll be right back.
You cannot come in 2 seconds.
Okay.
Take 2 minutes, we relax. Sum of first 100 term.
Okay, I'm back.
Okay, so the next in the B part in this question, they can ask you find out the sum of first 100 term, right?
Mm-hmm.
First 100 term. So they sometime write like this: n equal to n1 to 100. So the first 100 term means 15, 5, 15, 25, and continue up to 100. Up to 100th term. 100th term, I don't know what is 100th term.
Okay.
But I know what the decision is there. N is 100, means n is the number of terms. A is equal to 5 and D equal to 10. These three things you know, right?
Yes.
Now sum formula, sum equal to sum of number of term, Sn equal to n over 2, 2a plus n minus 1 times D. This formula you need to remember. Then it is easy for you.
Okay.
So what you will do, n is what? 100 over 2. 2 times a is what?
100 over 2. A is 5. So 2,
5.
5.
Then n is how much?
N is 100.
100 minus 1. And d is what?
10.
Here.
D is 10.
And now we will calculate. This is 50, 10, 99 into 10. Now tell me answer.
Uh,
Total answer.
Wait, I don't know where I put my calculator.
It's very easy. 99, 990 plus 10 is 1000.
9, 1,000,
1000
1,000.
times 50. So 50,000, right?
Yeah, 50. Yeah.
Khalas. Wow, very nice question. Oh. I didn't know that such a nice figure will come. 50,000 is the answer, right?
Yeah.
So 50,000 is the total answer of 5 to 100 term, while the difference is 10 is 50,000, right?
Got it.
Okay, if I say calculate the sum from 1 to 6, number 1 to 5, okay. 1 to 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now tell me what is the answer of this if you sum up all these numbers.
Um, Sum up to 5. So 5 over 2.
No, add all
Oh,
these
no, no,
numbers.
no.
Orally add these numbers. Don't apply formula.
5. So 20,
5,
15 plus.
15. Total is 15. Huh? Total is 15.
Wait, what? No. Wait,
Total of
yeah.
total of these is 15.
Wait, how? Wait, don't you mean 5 plus 15 plus 25
No, I
plus.
said I said I'm not I do not attach this question with the previous. I just asking the sum of these numbers is what?
Oh, these numbers. Okay.
Yeah, this
So, yeah. Okay, yeah. Yeah, 15 then.
15. Okay, so these number is 15. Now I want to prove that this formula is work well or not. What is a in this?
A is 1.
Yeah, so you will remember the formula. Okay, a is 1. So a is 1. So n is 5. 5 numbers. 2 into 1 plus this will be n is 5. 5 minus 1 and d. What is d? 1, right? Difference also 1.
Yes.
So 1. Now we check this one. 5 over 2. 2 plus this one is 4. Right?
Yeah.
5 into 6 divided by 2. Answer is 15. Work.
Yeah.
That's done. So this is this proof of the formula. Formula, you must remember this formula now, so that
Okay.
you can apply into the arithmetic sequence, right? So the two
Yeah.
things you done, that how to recognize arithmetic sequence and how to find the nth term, and then what was the nth term of the last question? You remember?
Oh wait, sir. You know when you did 1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
Mm.
and then you said do it manually. How do you? I just said 15 because you said 15. How do you
Oh
do it
my
manually?
God! Oh my God! Oh my God!
I was thinking about it. I don't know
Just
why.
add all numbers, yeah. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5.
Oh, I thought I was complicating it. I was like 1 times 2 times 3 times 4
Oh my God.
times.
Adding. This see these 4 and 1, 5, 3 and 2, 5, 5, 5, 5, 15. Like this.
Oh, okay. Okay. Yeah.
Everyone has a different way of adding. Okay.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Okay.
Okay. So what I was asking, that the last one is you remember the nth term of the last question. This is your memory. This was 10n minus 5. This was the last nth term. 10 ones are 10. Yeah. 10 twos are 21. Yeah, this one. Hello.
Well, wait. Sorry. Yeah, I was looking. Yeah. Okay. 10
So
and minus. So
this
what's the question? What are we meant to do?
I said this the last question. The nth term of the last question was this, right? We calculated that,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah. 10 and
Now
minus
now
5.
now they will ask in exam. They will ask the same question is
Mhm.
going on. 5, 10, 15, 20, and continue. They said find C part. Find 125 is the part of this sequence. Calculate, check, find whether find whether 125 is the part of this sequence. How you will check that 125 is will come over here somewhere? This is the question.
So will they give us the numbers on top? The 5, 10, 15?
Yeah,
Yeah.
of course,
They
of
will.
course. The same question. This is a part number C. This is a part number C. Is 125 is the part of this sequence?
So you just put 125 in 10, and then that's it. Then
No.
you,
No,
if it's like
that will be
if it.
120, that will be 125th term if you put an
Oh
120.
wait. Yeah. Oh, okay.
Got it? I am
Yeah.
asking 125 will come over here. Maybe this will come after 13, 14
Yeah.
steps,
Is it? But is it a part? Okay.
right?
Um.
That
Yeah.
that
So
that
okay, 10n minus 5 equals 125.
Mashallah. You super genius, yeah. 125 equal to 125 you will write, right? Now what you will do, 10n equal to 130. Got it? And n equal to 130 divided by 10 is 13. 13th term. 13th term will be 125. Okay?
Okay.
If
Yeah.
this number comes in decimal, if this number come in decimal, then no, not a part,
It's not the right,
right?
not a part.
For example, if I
Yeah.
say 129, is 129 is a part of this? Of course, 129 is not multiple of that. It's looked not, right? Now we check.
Yeah.
129 equal to 10n minus 5. So 129 is 134. 134 equal to 10n. So n equal to 13.4. Wallah. Number of term cannot be decimal,
Yeah.
right? Any number
Yeah.
of term cannot be in decimal. So this is no. Here your arithmetic sequence is closed. This is the last case I tell you. If you want to check that 13, the 13 again, if you put 13 in this, what you will get? If you put 13 in this,
Yeah,
what
yeah,
you will get?
125.
Yeah,
Right.
125 you will get, right? So 13 term is 125. Got it?
Got it. Yeah.
Very nice. Okay, sometime in arithmetic sequence, they give you word problem. They will not give you sequence. They will give you only some words and they will say form the sequence. So the question will be like this. Second term of the arithmetic progression is 10, right?
Yeah.
Or second term is 15. Fourth term of the AP is 35. They give the two terms only.
Okay.
So you know that how we write the sequence generally. First term is A and second term is A plus D, right?
Yeah.
And third term is A plus 2D. Fourth term is A plus 3D. Like this, it's continue. Because every time if we add the difference, we get the next one. For example, if I say 3, 8, 13, 18. If I, what is the difference? 5.
Difference is 5.
5.
Yeah.
So 3 plus 5, 3 plus 5,
Uh,
8. Right?
mhm.
This is A plus D. A is 5 and D is, so D is 5, A is 3.
Yeah.
So A plus D is 3, 8. This is A plus D. This is A plus 2D. This is A plus 3D, right? Every time we increase the difference. In the previous, we add the difference, we get the next one. So in this,
Okay.
if I add D, I will get A plus 2D. If I add D, I will get A plus 3D, right? So these are the
Yeah.
general values. So now I will use this one. Second term of the sequence is 15, right?
Wait, second term. Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah.
So
Second term of the
second
sequence.
term is this. So A plus D equal to 15, right?
Yeah.
And the fourth term of the sequence is 35.
35. So A3,
Yeah. A plus
A plus 3D,
equal to 35, right?
30.
Now
Yes.
from these two, if I get A and D value, I can write the sequence, right?
Yeah.
So how to get A and D value from these two? Do you have any idea?
Mm, mm,
From these two equation, how I
yeah.
can get?
Oh, no. Wait, C, I don't know. I don't know. How do you get A or D?
You know, you ever remember the simultaneous equation?
Oh, okay. You just do simultaneous equation.
Yeah.
Okay.
You just subtract. This subtract minus, 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 right? So A will be cancelled. So this will be minus 2D equal to 15 minus 35 is minus 25.
Okay. Yeah.
Or
Understood.
35 minus 15 is how much? 20.
30. Yeah.
20 minus
20.
20.
Wait. Yeah, yeah, yeah. 20. 20.
So
Yeah.
D is 10, right?
Yeah.
So my sequence will be first is, oh, D is 10. Now I will
Dude,
use this equation,
yeah.
substitute. A plus 10 equal to 15. So A equal to 5. So if I know that only this hint, I can form. So first term is 5. The next term 5 plus D is 15, and the third term a plus 5 plus 2d. 5 plus 2 into 10 is 25, then 35, and then continue. Form the sequence. Done?
The A is 5. Yeah, then D. Okay. Yeah.
I will substitute in this. This you will remember. If I say you, now if I just collect first and second and fourth term, right?
Yeah.
If they say 25th term is, or suppose if they say 13th term is 125, 13th term is 125, how you will write in equation?
You'll write A plus 12D equal
MashaAllah. 12d equal to 120.
120.
Wow, now your mind is working fantastic. So a plus 12d equal to 125. You will write like this. If I say 80th term, I also give you 80th term is 975. So what you will
So
write?
A plus 79.
D
Yeah, A plus 79D equals, what
equal
was it
to
again? 975. Yeah.
975. Then you will solve simultaneously and get it.
Okay. Okay. I
Yeah,
got it.
if you get the A and D, you can form that equation. You can form the
So what you told
equation.
me, those are the three questions that usually come up in arithmetic
Yeah,
sequence.
this type of things will come maximum,
Is
right?
it called arithmetic sequence or arithmetic progression? Because they call it
Arithmetic
progression.
arithmetic progression we call it. We call it arithmetic progression. In the arithmetic progression, there are two things: arithmetic sequence and sum of arithmetic sequence, right? Sequence is
Yeah.
basically comma. Progression is continued.
Okay.
This
Yeah, I
is
got it.
okay. Now we move on to the next one. Next one is your geometric sequence. The same thing we
Okay. Yeah,
will
we're
apply in the geometric sequence. The sequence will be only one thing is changed in the geometric sequence. It's a common ratio and use R. If I say 3, 6, 18, 54, this one, geometric sequence. So in the geometric sequence, if I say what is the common difference in this, you will divide next term by previous term. 6 divided by 3,
6 divided by 2. So 2.
2. 6 divided by, oh sorry, I started wrong. This is 2. So 6 divided by 2 is 3, right? And
Yeah.
18 divided by 6 is 3. 54 divided by 18 is 3. So common ratio is 3. So 3 is the common ratio. Every time you are getting 3. Next term divided by the previous term, every time you are getting 3. So the
Yeah.
the common ratio is 3, right?
That's so it's a you keep multiplying by 3. That's what it's called, common ratio.
Yeah. That's the common ratio. But how you will get the common ratio? You will divide next term divide by previous term. R equal to next divided by previous.
Okay.
So
R
if you
divided by
divide, R equal to R is called common ratio. Next term divided by the previous term. So if you divide 6 by 2, you will get 3. 18 by 6, you get 3. 54 divided by 18, you will get 3, right? Every time you are
yeah.
getting 3. Now, so R is 3. Now, A is 2, R is 3. Now, formula for general term is A R raised to power n minus 1.
R. Okay.
A R raised to power n minus 1.
Okay.
Okay. Now, I will calculate the n term. A is 2 and R is 3 and n minus 1. This is general formula. In this formula, if you want to find the sixth term, right? Let's we check the sixth term, n equal to 6, n equal to 6. If you put n equal to 6, t6, sixth term you will get 2, 3, 6 minus 1. So t6 will come,
Yeah.
t6 will come what? 3 raised to power 5, right? So,
Oh, okay. Yeah.
so what is 3 raised to power 5? 3 raised to power 5 equal to 243. 243 multiplied by 2. Answer is 486. T6 is 486, right? Let's recheck.
Yeah.
This is fourth.
480.
This is fourth term, right? This is fourth term, 54.
Yeah.
So if I
Okay.
multiply 54 multiplied by 3, it's getting 162. I'm getting 162. 54 multiplied by 3, right? Now again I'm
Yeah.
multiplied by 3. I'm getting 486.
Yeah.
Sixth term. That's why I took a smaller term. So I got the 486, the sixth term.
Yeah.
Got it?
Yeah.
That's the case when how to find the in the geometric sequence, how to find the term like this. So now I create another thing that I write the nth term on right side first, this nth term, and then the second step they can ask in the exam is what? Nth term is 2. This is easy way to teach you that I use the same example
Yeah.
for the next thing, right? So it save our time instead of I am creating the whole scenario again for the different. I will give you something in this. I say second and fourth term is given. In the question second and fourth term is given. They say they did not give this question completely. They give you the second and fourth term. They said second term equal to 6 and fourth term equal
Okay.
to 54. What is the sequence? Is the geometric sequence? This is a question, right? This will come same, but now how we will deal it? Second term, so your general formula is a r raised to power n minus 1. You must remember this general formula, okay?
Yeah. Tn equals. Yeah. Okay.
A r raised to power n minus 1. Now what I will do, what I will put on the left side and what I will put on the right side.
Okay. You at first you put 6.
6,
Tn6.
okay, equal to,
T6. Yeah. T6 equals. Um.
yeah,
The
T6 is
first term.
6. The T6 is 6, right? Sixth term is
Yeah.
6. The second term is 6. So what no, second term is 6 means A I don't know, right? And R
A
I
you don't.
don't know. What is N?
Yeah. N is 6.
No, N is not 6. 6 is basically second term.
Oh. Oh. Wait. N.
N is
Wait.
what?
What's
N is what? N is 2.
N?
This is second term.
Oh, right. Yeah.
So
N is
2,
2. N
2
is
minus, right? So you got A R. This is first equation, right? Now
yeah.
now you tell me second equation how to write. Use this.
Wait, what? Oh, the second. Okay, yeah. 54 equals.
54 equals to,
Okay. 54 equals AR 4 minus 1. Power 4 minus 1.
very good. So 54 equal to oh, AR. 54 equal to AR cube, right?
Yes.
This is second. Now we will solve these two. Got it?
Okay. How do we? So we do simultaneous equation?
Yeah, of course. You can do simultaneous equation. The value of A is what? 6 over R. Over I will put over here. 54 substitution method I am using. A is 6 over R times R cube. You get? You get this?
Yeah.
You get this R equal to 6 over A equal to 6 over R.
Wait, but what happened to the -1? Wait, or
No, I calculate only R. I calculate A from here. I will move R in the
oh,
denominator. Okay.
okay, okay.
Then I will, instead of A, I will substitute here. Instead of A, I will substitute 6 over R. Got it?
Got it. Yeah.
6 into R square. Because R cube divided by R is R square.
Okay. And then what do we do? 54.
Can you tell me 54 divided by 6 is what? 9.
Wait, why'd you do 6R squared? Why is there?
This is R cancel. R cube cancel with R, so R square is remaining.
Oh wait. Okay.
Got it?
Yeah.
Now,
54 equal. Okay.
now what is R?
R is radical 54 over 6.
Yeah, so answer is, this is 9. R square equal to 9, so R equal to 3.
Oh yeah.
So R was 3 in our sequence, right? If R is 3, what is A? A equal to 6 over 3. A equal to 2. So my A is 2. Got it? If I put
Wait. So
R I will put over here. A equal to 6 over R. So R is 3.
oh,
So A will be 2.
okay.
So 2, next is multiplied by 3, 6, multiplied by 3, 18, multiplied by 3, 54, then sequences continue form.
Oh, okay.
You got?
Okay. Yeah, I got it.
Very good. So like that. So in this only solving these equation is different. In this you can divide first equation by second equation also. This is another method. You can divide this by this. Left side divide separately, right side divide, and you can get it.
Okay.
Yeah, you can do like this also. 54 divided by 6 equal to AR cube divided by AR, right? So A cancel, this is cancel, R square equal to 9 and R is equal to 3. How easy is this one? In any
Yeah.
way,
Well,
in any way you can calculate R and A and then you can form the equation. So you got
I
the,
just
yeah.
it's like I have to memorize the way it's done.
Hmm.
Okay. So how many other methods are there for? There's two more types of questions. Like how many types of questions
No, this
are
only
they?
these things they will ask. Only this is the maximum approach of the geometric sequence I am telling you. They can ask
Okay.
these things. So you need A and R always, right? So
Yeah.
one is sum of geometric sequence. Sum of geometric sequence. You have to
Okay.
find the sum. This, for the sum there is one formula you have to remember. So in these cases, 4 formulas you have to remember. One is for nth term and one is for sum, right?
Yeah.
Nth term you found the formula in the arithmetic is a plus n minus 1d, and 2a plus n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1d, that was the sum. And here is a r raised to power n minus 1, and now this one, the sum formula of geometric sequence is n is equal to 1 to infinite. Infinite means suppose 10 till 10. So the sum formula, or I write first sum So what is it? Because I am writing general formula first. So general formula is a r raised to power n minus 1 divided by r minus 1. This is general. Got it?
Yeah. Sir, can you restart your internet or like something? Because I think it's like delayed. Like whenever you write something, there's like a 10 seconds or 15 seconds delay.
Yeah, you are right.
Uh,
You are right. I do it. Disconnect and then connect again. This is a good technique. Yes. So my formula is this one.
okay.
So what we will do, if I say to calculate this, the sum of geometric sequence, if we calculate,
Wait, did you write something? I
wait,
think this.
no, I'm not writing. I will write now. Okay. See, if I want you to solve this, calculate the sum, right? So sum of first 100 term in this sequence, sum of first 100 term. So as 100
Okay.
you will find. So A was what was A? 2.
Yeah,
And
it was two.
A was 2. And what was R? R was 3, right?
R was three. Yeah.
And my terms are 100. Only substitution divided by, only you remember the formula and put substitution. You will get everything. This, right? So 2
Yeah.
and this 3 raised to power 100 minus 1 divided by 2. It's cancel. So 3 raised to power 100 minus 1. This is answer.
Okay.
So this is sum. So sum formula you will remember like this. You got the idea?
Okay. Yeah, I got it. Got the idea.
Very nice. So if I give you one question, can you solve?
Um.
Which question I
Yeah.
give you? Geometric or arithmetic or
Um.
partial fraction?
No, I would say something like short. I don't know. Like it's fine.
Yeah,
Any. I
very
think.
very small thing I will give you. Okay,
Okay.
I give you first arithmetic, right? Easy.
Yeah. Arithmetic.
Okay, I write. So the question is, if I say 4 and then 8 and then 12, 16 and then 20, and this sequence is going on. A part, find the nth term of this AP. B part is find the sum of first 29 term or first 30 term, first 30 terms. C part, check 120 is the part of this sequence. This is 1 marks, this is 2 marks, and this is 2 marks. Do.
Okay. First 30. Oh.
You do it. I'm coming from washroom.
Okay. Find the nth term. Oh. Find the sum of the first 30 terms.
Hello.
Hi. Yeah, I finished B.
Okay.
Now I'm on C.
Okay, very good.
Check 120 is part of the sequence. How did we do it? Okay, I finished.
Very good. So first you tell me what is n term.
N term is 4n plus 1.
4n plus 1. N term is 4n plus 1. 4 multiplied by n plus 1. If I put 1, what I will get?
If you put 1, you get you get 5.
Over
Oh
here you
wait.
did wrong.
Oh crap. Wait, what did I do? Oh, 4. Um, oh wait. 4 and what did I put plus 3? Oh, okay. I did. Yeah. I did. I know where my mistake was. I don't know. Why I did that. Okay, yeah, it's 4n. It's just 4n plus 0.
Yeah, 4n. Simple 4n. So it's 4 multiple of 4, right?
4n equals. Wait, let me just correct some things. 120 divided by 4, 30. There. Yeah, okay. Okay. Okay, then B is I got 1830.
Okay. Now you can get the b. The b is how you will get Tn equal to 4n. General term is this, right? Some formula. Some is
B formula is n over 2.
yeah 30 over 2. 2 times 4 plus 29 into 4 leaves this
Yeah,
15. 8 plus
8 plus 20.
116.
Yeah, 8 plus 116.
You can get,
Uh,
and then multiply by 15. You can get
62 times 4. Yeah, 1860.
okay. I tell you one more easy way to find n term. Okay, I tell you. See, this is my sequence. In this sequence, if you apply the formula a plus n minus 1d, you will find the nth term. But how quickly this is for only arithmetic progression. Very quickly you can find. So what is the difference?
The difference is 4.
4. So I will write 4n, right? If n is the 1, you need to get this term. If you put n is equal to 1, right? So 4 ones are 4 ones are 4
4. Yeah,
plus what to make 6?
2.
Khalas done. How is that?
Oh, okay, yeah. It's pretty
Yeah, like
easy.
this. Yeah, like this you will do, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, for arithmetic sequence, you can do like this. Now I will ask one from you, you will try. Okay, so these two parts done. You can do the third part also easily. You can check that in the 4n equal to
Yeah, it's part of, yeah,
120.
it's
Huh?
30.
Oh yeah, do you already done?
Yes.
Huh? Yeah, 30. Okay, done. So now I write one sequence. Mm, suppose I write 5, 7. Uh, mm, I write start with 5. Start with 5, 7. No, something else I write. 3, 7, 11, 15. This is sequence is going on, right? Now
Yeah.
this is arithmetic sequence. We both can judge that this is arithmetic sequence, right? So
Yeah.
if this is arithmetic sequence, so what will be the n term of this arithmetic sequence? Use this technique.
Nth
First,
term.
yeah.
Yeah. Okay. So
Hmm.
it'll be 3 and no wait. Uh, 3.
Use this idea
Wait.
which I told you latest.
Wait. How did you get 4 again? Like from
This is
where'd you get
difference. Difference.
friends? Yes. Yeah. Okay. 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 Uh. Okay. 4 minus 1. So 4n minus 1.
Last done. You learn.
Yeah.
Great. Great. Like this. Plus or minus whatever. If you try
Okay.
this second one, 4 to the 8 minus 1, 7. 4 is the 12 minus 1, 11. Everything is perfect.
Okay. Yeah. I got it.
Yeah, like that you can do next time. If they say n term is given this one, find out the first six term. So easily you can find the first six term by put n equal to 1, 2, 4, 5, 6. So first six term. Any n in value, right?
Yeah.
So the maximum part is they will ask you to do this and this sum, and they will ask you to check if this is any term, this certain term exists in that sequence or not. This is the maximum thing they can ask.
Sir, can we solve the question that was on the revision sheet? The one that
Yeah, sure,
I
sure,
sent you.
sure. Now we try.
Arithmetic.
Yeah, okay, I try. I just check which question is given in arithmetic. When you sent?
I'll screen share actually. I'll screen share, then you can write it down.
Oh, the wonderful.
Okay. Share, and I think it's this one.
Check.
Question 7. Can you see?
Yes, I can see. Yes. Let's see what the geometric sequence is given. Geometric progression. So U3 plus U6 equal to 260 and U5 and U8. U5 plus U8 equal to 4160. These two information. Calculate the common ratio and first difference. So A part is you need to find A and R, and B part is you need to what is the value of U20, and the C part is calculate the sum of percent. Sum of percent. Okay. Now you can share. I write.
Uh, U a part of the sequence? Like U means like sequence.
Yeah,
Sequence, the third sequence.
yeah.
Or,
You will use the formula, right, for all this, right? So now
uh,
see my board how I will do this.
yeah, yeah, I'll okay.
Now see this. So U3 plus U6 equal to 260. right? This information is given. This two information are given. So I will use these two information. U3 means your general term is a r raised to power n minus 1, right?
Yeah.
So what I will write to for this one first, 260 equal to U3 means a r raised to power 2.
The first question was find the common ratio.
Yeah, that I am doing. I am finding the common ratio. That I am doing.
Yeah. Okay.
So I can write 260 equal to a r raised to power 2 plus
Yeah.
a r raised to power 5. Can I write like this? Because this is sixth term and this is third term.
Yeah. Yeah.
Got it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Got it.
So this is my first equation.
Okay.
Now second equation is 4160 equal to u5. U5 means a r raised to power 4 plus u8.
Yeah. So to put power,
Yeah,
power 7.
a r raised to power 7. This is now. Now I will calculate a and r from these two.
So do we do a simultaneous equation or?
Yeah, this is also simultaneous but little bit tricky, right? So what I will do, I will calculate the value of a from first input into the second, right?
Um,
Or I can
so what do we do first?
yeah I just calculate something common. I can see something common from this one, right?
Yeah.
In the 261 equation, a r square is common, right?
Yeah.
Also 1 plus r cube.
Wait. Wait. I don't. Wait. No, I don't understand.
If
What
I
would you do
take
on plus?
if I take a r square is common from this one. A r square is here, a r square is here. So I take common from a r square. So 1 will come over here and r cube will
Oh. Okay. Okay. I got it.
come.
Got it.
And
Yeah.
from this one, I will also do same something.
Yeah. You could do the.
A
You
r
could do R
4,
four.
4, a r 4, right?
Yeah.
So 1 plus r cube I will get. Got it?
Got it.
Now I will divide.
You mean subtract? Do we
Divide,
subtract
divide.
or?
I will divide this, divide by this. I will divide, right?
Um, I thought it was subtract, like in
In
simultaneous.
in 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 geometric sequence, you will divide, right?
Okay.
Okay, I just remove over here this one because question is
Yeah.
written. You have the question. I will divide. So first I will write 4 1 because this is bigger one. A r 4 1 plus r cube, and here the smaller one is 260 equal to uh, a r square and 1 plus r cube. You agree?
Yeah.
Bigger divide by
Wait.
small.
Camera a little more up, like upwards, or the board down, because I can't see the top part. Yeah. Okay.
So the bigger divided by the smaller, right? I did this.
Yeah.
So bigger
Yeah.
one, now this and this is cancelled.
Yeah.
This part is cancelled and here A is cancelled.
So R4 over R2.
The R square will come. So R square equal to, now cancel this one. 416 divided by 226. Do this.
Divided by 260. That's 16. 16.
16. Voila. We are going correctly. So R square is 16. So means R is 4.
Yeah.
Good.
Oh. Okay. Got it.
Very, very tricky question. Better you ask me. Okay. So now I will put this R value in the first equation. First is easy. 260 equal to AR square plus AR5. So I will get A and R. So R is 4. So 260 equal to,
The second question now.
no, first part I am doing. I only calculated R. Now I am
Oh,
calculating A. I substitute. I am substituting this in this equation, right? So 260, this I am using this one. 260 equal to A R. R is 16. 4 square is 16 plus A 4 power 5. What is 4 power 5?
yeah. 4 power 5.
256.
Yeah.
256 plus 16 is
1,200. 1,000. No, 1,024.
4 power
1,024.
5.
4 to
Okay.
the.
Yeah, you are right.
Yeah.
1024 plus 16.
1,024 plus 16 is
1040.
yeah.
So
1,000.
1040. So 260 equal to 1040 A, right?
Yeah.
So now you can find A easily. A equal to
Yeah.
260 divided by 1040, right?
Yeah.
So this will be A. A and R we found.
Okay.
So now if we found A and R, we can struggle for the next term. We can form the geometric sequence now, right?
Yeah. So what is the value of sequence 20?
Yeah,
How do we
that
find
first of all, I will write the general term and then easily you can put n and you can get. So general term is what? Any geometric sequence is this A R raised to power n minus. Rest is very easy. A is this 260 over 1040 and R is what?
R is 3. No, yeah, wait. Oh, 4, 4. Sorry, 4. That's 4.
N minus 1. Okay. So this is cancelled. 26 over 104 and 4 raised to power n minus 1. 26 and 104 also can be cancelled.
Yeah, it can.
13
It's 1
over
over 4.
52. 1 over?
1 over 4 is
Oh,
simplicity.
thank you. Really. 1 over 4. 1 over 4 into 4 raised to power n minus 1. Right?
Yep.
Yesterday we did some what we did some indices also. So if we move this one up, it will be what? If we move this one up, 4 raised to power minus 1, 4 raised to power n minus 2. So this will be 4 raised to power n minus 3. This is general term, right?
Mm-hmm.
Are you getting?
Yeah, 4 minus 1, 4 times. Okay, yeah.
Because I
Yeah,
add the
yeah.
powers. If I add the power, I will get this one. This is my general
Yeah.
term. Now term number 20 is very easy, T20.
Wait, what? I thought, oh, okay. Okay, that's
T20 is very easy.
general.
Yeah, general. This is general term, formula game. T20 is 4 raised to power 20 minus 3. T20 is equal to 4 raised to power 17. Okay.
Okay.
Now the third term is what? Find out the sum.
Take
Sum
the
up to what?
sum of the
Sum of the term up to what?
10.
How
10.
many? 10 terms. First 10 term.
Yeah,
Okay.
first 10 terms.
Okay, first 10 term. So A was 1 over 4, right? A was 1
So,
over 4.
yeah.
A is 1 over 4 and R is 4. Now we will calculate the sum.
No, isn't there a formula? A R n minus 1 over R minus 1?
Yes, you are right. The formula is what? A R n minus 1 over R minus 1. This is sum formula. So how many terms? A is 1 over 4 and R is 4 raised to power, how many terms? 10 minus 1 divided by 3, right?
Yeah.
So now you can easily find 1 over 4 3s are 12. This will go down. And over here 4 raised to power 10 minus 1. This calculator will give you the result. 4 raised to power 10 minus 1 divided by 12.
Okay.
This will be
Got it.
4 raised to power 10. This divided by 12. What you get the result? 87,381.
Yeah.
This
1
is the
over
answer.
2. Yeah.
This is the answer of this geometric sequence. Very nice question.
So this question was long.
Yeah, of course, because they give you the equation is a square and a power 4. That kind of equation they give. That's right. Anyway, anything else?
Let me check. Can we do question 5? Wait, I'll screen share. Question 5. The question. It's about its integrals.
Okay. Yes, this type of question I saw in the integration, and I told you. See how we will do. The first thing is you can say 5 over x cubed. No? So can I write 5 x raised to the power minus 3 if I move up?
You're lagging. It's lagging for me.
Lagging. Okay. I'll just do the same technique. Today's net is slow. Okay. Now remove the screen share and see my screen. Can you see my screen?
Yeah. Wait, I'll just remove it now. Okay. Yeah, I can see.
Okay. Now see, I just moved the denominator x cube into the numerator. It will be minus 3 power minus 3, right?
Yeah.
Now we will integrate it. It's very easy. I thought you have done this. 5x to the power minus 3 plus 1.
Wait, I forgot to because I didn't practice yesterday. I forgot to
See, I
practice.
told you the formula. N plus 1 divided by n plus 1.
Oh yeah, n plus 1
Right?
minus. Okay.
Minus 3
Yeah.
plus 1 minus 2 divided by minus 2. Right? Minus and 7x plus c. And dx is x. The
Wait, how
integral of,
did 7x? Where did you get x with 7?
because if only number, the x will come. If there is no x, means here is x raised to power 0. If there is nothing x means x is power 0, right? X is to power 0
Oh,
means plus 1 divided by 1, right?
uh, yeah.
So this is the answer. Khalas, in one step you get the answer. Maximum what you can do, minus 5 over 2, move again on the denominator, minus 7x plus c. This is the answer. And
So
for this,
minus 5.
yeah, minus 5 by 2, and this one.
5. Oh, wait, x plus. Okay. Okay.
Now for this, it's very easy. 7 over 3 is taking outside, and this will move up. It will be dx. It will be minus. When you will move it up, it will be minus.
Okay.
You got my point?
Yeah.
Okay, now if you integrate it, x raised to power
plus 1.
Yeah, divide by plus 1. The same thing we will do. Let's see. Alas, question is done. 7 by 3. And this will be x raised to power half divided by half. And now how we will write this one? This 2 will come up. 14 over 3 x raised to power half plus c. This is the answer. This 2 will come up.
7. Wait, how did 7? Oh, okay. 7 times 2. Okay.
Yeah, this will come up because division, another division. It will move up.
And is it always plus C in the end? Like you leave
Yeah,
plus C?
it's if there is no limit, you will write plus c.
Okay.
Yes, there are limit. I told you that the definite integrals,
Okay.
right?
Yeah, understood.
Yeah, so this is easy. You can handle it easily. Do one question, practice of one question, or do similar practice whatever I teach you. Do the same question. If you want to save your time and you want to revise quickly, do same questions again. We have done in our classes. Then quickly you can do, and you can try your revision sheet also, right?
Yeah, I'll do that. Yeah.
Yeah.
And if I have any questions, I'll send you on WhatsApp.
Sure, inshallah.
Okay.
Okay, thank you. Good luck.
All right. Thanks, sir. Thank you.
Thank you very much.